Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast like me, you know that the world of tech is constantly evolving. Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge 20 AI-powered motorcycle gadgets that are changing the game in 2024. Let's gear up and explore. 1. Smart helmets with heads-up displays. Smart helmets are undergoing a revolutionary transformation with the integration of AI, ushering in a new era of rider safety and connectivity. Picture a helmet that goes beyond protection, serving as your personal riding assistant. It guides you with augmented reality overlays, displaying turn-by-turn directions and points of interest directly in your field of view. Voice commands let you answer calls or control music without lifting a finger. Real-time data like speed, lean angle, and proximity to hazards are displayed right before your eyes, enhancing situational awareness. But it doesn't stop there. Some advanced helmets even monitor your biometric data, alerting you to fatigue or potential health issues, ultimately contributing to a safer and more enjoyable ride. 2. Smart tire pressure monitors. Smart tire pressure monitors are redefining motorcycle safety by leveraging AI to go beyond simple pressure checks. These sophisticated sensors constantly monitor both tire pressure and temperature, delivering real-time data directly to your smartphone or helmet display, keeping you informed on the go. But the true magic lies in the AI's ability to learn your riding patterns and the usual conditions you face. By analyzing this data, the AI can identify unusual deviations, such as sudden pressure drops that could signal a puncture or abnormal temperature spikes that might indicate a failing tire. These early warnings empower you to take action promptly, whether it's pulling over to repair a slow leak or replacing a worn tire. By addressing potential issues proactively, smart tire pressure monitors offer a new level of confidence and safety, allowing you to focus on enjoying the ride. 3. AI-enhanced GPS navigation. AI-enhanced GPS navigation is redefining motorcycle journeys, elevating them from point A to point B, treks to unforgettable adventures. Say goodbye to static maps and cookie-cutter routes. AI-powered navigation systems dynamically adapt to the world around you, optimizing your path in real time based on the latest traffic conditions, road closures, and even changing weather patterns. But it gets even better. These intelligent systems learn your preferences over time, understanding whether you crave scenic detours, hidden gems off the beaten path, or welcoming biker-friendly cafes for a pit stop. They even cater to your riding style, suggesting twisty back roads if you're in the mood for a thrill or efficient highways when you're focused on reaching your destination. With AI as your co-pilot, every ride becomes a personalized journey, tailored to your desires and riding style. 4. Lane departure warning systems. Lane departure warning systems, once exclusive to cars, are now revolutionizing motorcycle safety with AI-powered advancements. These innovative systems utilize cameras or radar to precisely track your bike's position within the lane, acting as vigilant guardians on your journey. Should you inadvertently drift from your lane without signaling, the AI swiftly springs into action, alerting you through a combination of sensory cues. You might feel a subtle vibration in the handlebars, hear an attention-grabbing alarm, or see a visual warning flash on your helmet display. This early intervention serves as a crucial reminder, helping you correct your course and avoid unintentional lane departures, a leading cause of motorcycle accidents. Moreover, some cutting-edge systems go even further, offering gentle steering corrections that subtly nudge your bike back into the lane, providing an extra layer of protection for riders of all skill levels. 5. Blind spot detection. Blind spots, the perennial bane of motorcycle riders, are finally being conquered by AI-powered radar systems. These unobtrusive radar units, seamlessly integrated into mirrors or fairings, act as your bike's sixth sense, continuously scanning the surrounding areas that remain hidden from your view. Unlike traditional mirrors, which rely on line of sight and can be hampered by weather or lighting conditions, radar effortlessly pierces through these obstacles, detecting vehicles lurking in your blind spots. When a potential hazard is identified, the AI springs into action, triggering a range of alerts to grab your attention. You might see a flashing light in your mirror, feel a vibration in the handlebar, or hear a distinctive warning tone. Some advanced systems even differentiate between cars, trucks, and motorcycles, providing a nuanced assessment of the risk and allowing you to make informed decisions on the road. 6. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control, a technology that was once the exclusive domain of luxury cars, is now making its way into the world of motorcycles, revolutionizing the cruising experience. Thanks to advancements in AI, motorcycles can now autonomously maintain a safe distance from the vehicles ahead, using radar or cameras to detect their position and adjust speed accordingly. But AI elevates this technology beyond simple distance maintenance. It learns your unique riding style and adapts its behavior to match your preferences, whether you prefer a closer following distance for a sportier feel or a more relaxed gap for added safety. Some cutting-edge systems even take into account environmental factors like weather conditions and road curvature, proactively adjusting your speed as you approach curves or encounter slippery surfaces. The result? A significantly more relaxed and less fatiguing ride, especially on long highway journeys where maintaining a consistent speed can become tiresome. 7. Rider behavior analysis. Imagine having a virtual riding coach that analyzes every twist of the throttle and every lean into a corner. Rider behavior analysis systems do just that. Using sensors and AI algorithms, they track your acceleration, braking, cornering speed, and more. Over time, the AI builds a profile of your riding habits, highlighting areas where you excel and others where you could improve. You'll receive personalized tips on braking techniques, cornering strategies, or even how to optimize your throttle control for better fuel efficiency. This real-time feedback can help you become a smoother, safer, and more confident rider. 8. Emergency SOS beacons. Emergency SOS beacons are a game changer for motorcycle safety. These compact devices, often integrated into helmets or jackets, use AI to detect crashes. When a sudden impact or unusual motion occurs, the AI triggers the beacon, automatically sending an SOS signal with your precise location to emergency services. Some advanced beacons even include features like two-way communication, allowing you to speak with responders while they are en route. The AI can also assess the severity of the crash based on impact data, potentially prioritizing your rescue in critical situations. With these AI-powered guardians, help is just a crash away, offering peace of mind on every ride. 9. AI-powered dash cams. AI-powered dash cams are becoming essential for motorcycle riders, offering more than just video recording. These intelligent cameras capture high-definition footage of your rides, but that's just the beginning. AI algorithms analyze the footage in real time, detecting potential hazards like sudden braking, swerving vehicles, or even potholes. Some systems can even identify traffic signs and warn you if you're exceeding the speed limit. In the event of an accident, the AI can automatically save the relevant footage, providing valuable evidence. Beyond safety, AI dashcams offer security features like motion detection and tamper alerts, helping to deter theft and vandalism. 10. Voice-activated assistants. Voice-activated assistants are transforming motorcycle communication and entertainment. Imagine controlling your music, getting directions, or sending a message without ever taking your hands off the handlebars. AI-powered voice assistants make this a reality. Just speak your commands, and the AI instantly responds. You can change songs, adjust volume, get turn-by-turn directions, or even dictate a text message to a friend. This hands-free interaction not only enhances convenience, but also significantly improves safety by minimizing distractions while riding. Some advanced systems even allow for group communication with other riders, making group rides more coordinated and enjoyable. 11. AI-optimized riding gear. AI-optimized riding gear is not your average motorcycle apparel. Jackets, pants, and gloves are getting a high-tech makeover with built-in sensors and AI capabilities. These sensors monitor your body temperature, heart rate, and even posture, providing real-time feedback to optimize your comfort and safety. For example, a jacket might automatically adjust ventilation based on your body temperature, or alert you if your posture is putting strain on your back. Some advanced gear even includes airbag systems that deploy in the event of a crash, providing an extra layer of protection. With AI-optimized gear, you're not just wearing clothes. You're wearing a smart safety system. 12. Smart motorcycle locks. Smart motorcycle locks are getting a serious upgrade with AI. Traditional locks are vulnerable to picking or brute force, but AI-powered locks offer a new level of security. Some utilize facial recognition technology, instantly recognizing your unique facial features to unlock your bike. Others use fingerprint scanning, ensuring only authorized riders can access the ignition. These biometric features make it virtually impossible for thieves to bypass the lock. Some advanced systems even send alerts to your phone if someone tampers with your bike or tries to move it without authorization, providing an extra layer of protection for your prized possession. 13. Augmented reality windshields. Augmented reality windshields are set to revolutionize motorcycle navigation and information delivery. Imagine essential data like your speed, navigation directions, incoming calls, and even potential hazards appearing seamlessly in your line of sight right on your windshield. These AR windshields use projectors and transparent displays to overlay information onto the real world, minimizing distractions and keeping your focus on the road. With AI-powered features, these windshields can even adapt the information displayed based on your current needs, highlighting important details like upcoming turns or dangerous intersections. It's like having a heads-up display without the need for a helmet. 14. Self-balancing technology. Low-speed tipovers are a common nuisance for motorcycle riders, especially those maneuvering in tight spaces or navigating challenging terrain, but AI is here to help. Self-balancing technology uses gyroscopes, accelerometers, and intelligent algorithms to detect when a bike is starting to tip over. In the nick of time, the AI activates countermeasures like adjusting the suspension, applying brakes, or even momentarily engaging a small electric motor to keep the bike upright. This technology is particularly helpful for beginners or riders with heavier bikes, providing an extra layer of confidence and preventing those embarrassing and sometimes costly parking lot mishaps. 15. Anti-theft tracking systems. Gone are the days of helplessly hoping your stolen bike is found. AI-powered GPS trackers are revolutionizing motorcycle security. These discrete devices, often hidden within the bike's frame, continuously transmit their location data. But AI goes beyond simple tracking. It learns your riding patterns and can detect unusual movements or attempts to tamper with the tracker itself. Some advanced systems even employ AI-powered geofencing, alerting you if your bike leaves a designated area. In the unfortunate event of theft, these trackers provide real-time location updates to both you and law enforcement, significantly increasing the chances of recovery. 16. Adaptive headlights. Adaptive headlights are bringing a new level of intelligence and safety to motorcycle illumination. Unlike traditional headlights with fixed beams, adaptive headlights use sensors and AI algorithms to continuously analyze the road ahead. They detect oncoming traffic, curves, and changes in ambient light, automatically adjusting their brightness and beam pattern accordingly. This means you'll always have optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. For example, when cornering, the headlights can swivel to illuminate the path you're taking, enhancing your ability to see potential hazards. Some advanced systems even project warning symbols onto the road to alert you of pedestrians or animals. With adaptive headlights, your ride becomes safer and more enjoyable day or night. 17. Motorcycle-to-motorcycle communication. Motorcycle-to-motorcycle communication is getting a futuristic upgrade with AI-enabled systems. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway with a group of friends and you can effortlessly chat with them without fumbling for your phone or hand signals. AI-powered communication systems use mesh networking or Bluetooth technology to create a private network between nearby riders, allowing for seamless voice communication. But AI adds another layer of sophistication. It can filter out wind noise, enhance voice clarity, and even translate languages in real time for international group rides. Some systems even integrate with navigation apps, enabling riders to share waypoints or alerts about road hazards with the entire group. It's a new era of connected riding, where communication is as effortless as twisting the throttle. 18. Smart helmets with integrated cameras. Smart helmets with integrated cameras are more than just safety gear. They're your personal content creation studio on wheels. These helmets house high-resolution cameras that capture stunning video footage of your rides, preserving those epic moments in crystal-clear detail. But AI takes it up a notch. Some helmets use AI to stabilize the footage, eliminating shaky video even on bumpy roads. Others employ AI-powered editing features, automatically generating highlight reels of your best moments. Additionally, these helmets often include high-quality microphones with noise cancellation, ensuring your audio commentary is crisp and clear. Whether you're a vlogger, a motovlogger, or just want to relive your adventures, smart helmets with integrated cameras and AI capabilities are the perfect tool to capture and share your riding experiences. All right, those were 20 incredible AI motorcycle gadgets available on Amazon in 2024. Which ones blew you away? Are you ready to upgrade your riding experience with AI? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe.